Today's video, I'm going to show you that in Python programming, when you do inheritance or object-oriented programming, then how does the access specifier works and what are the exact rules for these things? Okay, I'll give you some information about public, private, and protected. Okay, and let's go to the computer screen and let's get started. So now let's learn what the access specifier and modifier, okay, in Python. So let's learn that. Okay. So now access specifiers or access modifiers in Python programming are used to limit the access of class variables and class methods outside of a class while implementing the concept of inheritance. Let us see each one of the access specifiers in detail. Types of access specifier: public access modifier, private access modifier, protected access modifier. There are three types of access specifier. What I will be telling you, like public, private, and protected. Okay. So now let's come to the next page. And what are public access specifier in Python? All the variables and methods and member function in Python are by default public and in instance variable in a class, followed by the self keyword, i.e. self.var/name are public access. So here is one example. Like I will be copy it, and what I will be paste them like here. And let's see. Let's suppose class student constructor is defined. Like I will be run it, and when I will be run, so here is coming like 21. Okay. So what I will be do? The student is 21 and what I will be do? Here I will be go, and here I will be go, and what I will be do? Here I will be change the name like Ryan. Okay, what? Ryan. And the age should be I will be give like 12. And whenever you will be erase that, so your all thing is not come. Okay, like I will be run it. So here is coming 12 Ryan. Okay, this one example. And now let's come to the another page. And what are private access modifier? By definition, private members of class, variables, or methods are those members which are only accessible inside the class. We cannot use private members outside of class. In Python, there is no strict concept of private access modifiers like in some other programming languages. However, convention has been established to indicate that a variable or method should be considered private by prefixing its name with a double underscore. This is known as a weak internal use indicator, and it is a convention only, not a strict rule. Code outside the class can still access these private variables and methods, but it is generally understood that they should not be accessed or modified. And I hope you will be understanding. And here is one example. I will be copying and I will be paste. Like I will be run. So here is coming like I will be first of all change the name like Ryan, and when I will be change the name and put Ryan, so it will give me the error. What type of error? Attribute object dot age. Okay. One thing. No. Here I will give like name. And when I will be run,
music licensing,
and let's suppose it's coming that student object has no attribute age, and I will be what I will be doing here. I will be only like that. And when I will be run, so print object dot slash slash age. Calling by object and calling by of class student. Here I will be copy and here I will be paste. Oh, I see. When I will be run, it is one difficult thing. What like calling by object of class student, and this is a calling by object of class subject. Okay, so I hope you will be understand what I am saying about, and that is coming the output like attribute. The student object has no attribute. Okay, it is coming like that. But I will be go here and I will be erase. And when I will be erase it, okay. So now it will giving like the main.file line in 16. Okay, 16 line. In 16 line, print object dot slash slash age attribute error. Student object has no attribute. Okay. Here I will be go, and I will be see it like object. And now it is a fun game. Okay, so I hope you will be understand what it is coming like that, and I hope you will be understand. And when I will be go to the here, and like here like private members of class, private members of class cannot be accessed or inherited outside of class. If we try to access or to inherit the properties of private member to child class, private class, then it will show error. Okay, like here is coming like that. So I hope you will be understand. Name mangling. The name mangling in Python is a technique used to protect class private and superclass private attributes from being accidents overridden by subclasses. Name of class private and superclasses private attributes are transformed by the addition of a single leading underscore and double leading underscore respectively. And when I will be copy it like that, and I will be paste
music licensing.
When I will be run, so here I will become in like I will tell you it is I am a non-Magellan attribute. In this example above, the attribute non-Magellan attribute is marked as a non-Magellan or by convention, but can still be accessed from outside the class. Attribute Magellan attribute is private and its name is Magellan to my class Magellan attribute, so it can't be accessed directly from outside the class, but you can access it by calling my class Magellan attribute. So I hope you will be understanding what are access specifier modifiers in Python. So if you understand, so please like this video, share friend, subscribe to my channel, so I will meet you next class in next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.
Artlist.io